those updates, but we in fact have some more weather updates coming in at this point in time. Delhi, of course, has been experiencing heavy rainfall, due to which several areas have been waterlogged, making it very difficult for commuters to commute. Now, due to rainfall, daily lives of various people have also been disrupted. My colleague Brian Thomas with us on the broadcast. Brian, of course, Delhi saw heavy rainfall all last night. Waterlogging also witnessed in many areas. Take us to the current situation in the city.
Clearly, as of now, from yesterday onwards till early morning, there was incessant rainfall that was grappling the national capital, and not just the national capital but the NCR region itself. And as a result of that, also the IMD has issued an alert for Delhi, and now here itself also, even though the Lutyens area is free from waterlogging situation, ITO or Minto Road, Window Bridge is free from waterlogging situation, but you can see the fact that because of the incessant rainfall, there was a tree that got uprooted, and now you can see the MDMC have been on ground and they're trying to make way for the traffic to pass, because it gets very congested. And as a result of that, also you can see that they have been using these chainsaws also to cut down the tree that has been uprooted in the night, in the because of incessant rainfall, and because of that the traffic congestion became very difficult for commuters to travel, because it covers half of the road. So as a result of that, traffic became very slower and people were taking more than usual time to reach their specific location. But now, after just a point of time, the NDNC team have reached the spot and they are trying to cut down the tree. They are trying to cut down with the chainsaw. They are trying to cut down the tree so that they can get the tree away from the road. So there is no problem with the traffic that was getting disturbed because of the tree that have been uprooted. Apart from that, in Ghazipur and other areas, there have been waterlogging situation. But yes, talking about the Lutyens itself, the situation remains much better. Minto Roads has not been seeing much of waterlogging. There are water pumps also that have been deployed. And specific cases like these, when you see there are few trees that have been uprooted, the NDMC team have been coming on spot and trying to cut the trees and get the trees on the other side of the road, so that the traffic problem that was becoming an issue gets better in terms of traffic congestion that shouldn't happen at this point of time. Malvika.
Well, Brian, thank you in fact for joining us with those updates live from the ground. But we're getting some more updates coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Now, due to heavy rainfall, water has started filling in the houses of Prayagraj. Along with that, 84 ghats have been submerged in Kashi due to incessant rainfall. आकाश यादव विद अस ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट. आकाश, बारिश जारी है बहुत ज़ोरों से उत्तर प्रदेश में भी, प्रयागराज और वाराणसी में देखा जा रहा है इसके इफेक्ट्स. क्या स्थिति है वहाँ पर बारिश को लेके?
अभी की स्थिति यदि बात करूं तो मां गंगा का रौद्र रूप काशी में देखने को मिल रहा है. न केवल 84 घाट डूब चुके हैं, बल्कि आरती का स्थान छत पे हो चुका है, और जहां पे सौदा होता था वो सौदा भी अब छत पे हो रहा है. यानी कि चेतावनी बिंदु को पार करते हुए अब जो खतरे का निशान है उसे भी मां गंगा पार कर चुकी है. यही वजह है कि चाहे गंगा नदी के किनारे की बात करूं या फिर वरुणा नदी के किनारे की बात करूं, जो लोग किनारे पे रह रहे हैं वो अब पलायन को मजबूर हो रहे हैं. कल खुद काशी के सांसद, प्रदेश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी खुद काशी पहुंचे थे. उन्होंने अधिकारियों से बाढ़ को लेकर हिदायत दी थी कि आप बाढ़ का स्तर बढ़ रहा है, आप लोग ग्राउंड पे जाए और जो किनारे रह रहे लोगों को उनको मदद की जाए. हालांकि कल देर शाम ही बनास के जो अधिकारी थे वो ग्राउंड जीरो पे दिखे, बाढ़ राहत शिविर पे जाते दिखे, और जो घाट किनारे रहने वाले लोग थे, जो इनका घर मकान असियाना डूब चुका था,
जी
ऊपर
जी बिल्कुल आकाश. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस विद दोस अपडेट्स, बट दैट्स अ रैप फॉर दिस बुलेटिन. विल टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक.
Co-powered by PolicyBazaar.